Hello, today I will do a demonstration on how to overlap elements or create an image over another heading using Elementor Editor. All right, so let's just start with creating a section with two columns. And for the first column, let me just create a full width section. Okay. Now for the first column, I am going to insert, say, a heading. Okay. So welcome to my website, for example. Okay. And then alignment central. I will style this text very quickly to gray. Okay. Then increase the size of the text. Okay. For example, now and the line height also. Okay, welcome to my website. Now, I'll also add a background. Okay, so just add a color to my background. Okay, so here it is. And then padding. Okay, I'll create a padding. Go to advanced. Here, I will create some padding to make it look better. Okay, so here, this is my heading. Okay, now I want to also insert an image at this other column. Okay, so I have already prepared an image that is in PNG file type, which is a transparent background. Okay, so just note that this image has already has a transparent background to it. Now I want to make sure that the background that this image has over here at Elementor is also transparent. So I go to background, I go to classic, and then I click on this color picker, and then I will just drag this transparency all the way here to make sure that it's totally transparent. As well as even the column, this column background, I will change it to transparent as well, just to make sure everything is transparent. Okay, so I just go to color, and I'm going to drag this all the way to transparent. Okay, so this piece is totally transparent. It has a transparent background. Now I'm going to move my image element. So I click on this image element, and I want to move it over to overlap to this header. So maybe to make it look more better to the eyes, I'm going to just change the column percentage. So I just click on this column. Maybe I'll just do a 60%, or maybe, sorry, 55%. Okay, 55%. Okay, and then I may want to add something else below later. Okay, so I'm just going to move this over here. Now I'll click on this. I'll go to margin. I'm going to unlink the margin, and it's going to move to the left. So since it's moving to the left, my left should go negative. So I'll just let it go negative and see that whole image moving over. Okay, so okay, so when I adjust this left, I always make a point to also adjust the right to kind of equalize the distance. So since this is negative 145, okay, so you watch how I key in the number and it moves even more over here. Okay, but it makes sense to adjust the right so that your website will turn out all right. Okay, so it's not so it just makes sure that the section, this column is still ends here. It still ends here. Okay, so it doesn't move over. Okay, so it's more of the technical spacing at the back. So anyway, just make sure that when you do a negative for the left, you will do a positive equal number for the right. And likewise, if you want to do a negative for the top, you do a positive equal number for the bottom, vice versa. Okay, so here it is. I have a transparent image, and I've moved it over here. Okay, moved it over here. So if you want to go closer to the left, then you just let the negative number go even more negative. Okay, but just do some adjustment to the right as well, 155. Okay, and then you can adjust it your way. So same, if you want this portion, this image to go down, it'll be bottom, and then it'll be a negative number at the bottom. So I just let it go down. Okay, you can watch this image going down. 59, and the top, okay, 60. Okay, so it goes down and it will overlap whatever that I place here. So let's try. Okay, let's just put a text editor below here. Okay, put a text editor here. I'm going to style this thing, the background. Okay, create a background. Insert a color. Okay, so a darker color maybe. So you see that the image now overlaps this text editor as well. Okay, so this is what I want to show you. In the event you want to do some fancy design to your website and you want to do some overlapping. If you need this space to disappear, this white space over here, it's very simple. Do the same for this text editor element. Okay, click on this element. So here, okay, make sure it's edit text editor. Now the margin has to be a negative. So I'm going to move it up first. Sorry. I need to unlink this first. So I'll set it back to 0, unlink. And I'm going to move shift the margin, you see? So now they are together, one piece. And likewise for bottom, I need to also set it to 21, positive 21. Okay, so this is how you do it. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.